Welcome to our Cybersecurity channel. Today, we'll explore security threats and recent attacks in the Internet of Things IoT. IoT devices are everywhere, but their connectivity brings risks as attackers target vulnerabilities. IoT devices include simple gadgets and complex machines, often lacking robust security. IoT devices are prime targets for data breaches, botnets, device manipulation, and privacy violations. Security challenges include low power for strong encryption, outdated firmware, and default credentials. Now let's discuss 5 recent devastating IoT attacks. 1. Mirai botnet resurgence, resurfaced targeting cameras and routers, launching massive DDoS attacks. 2. Colonial Pipeline cyberattack, infiltrated IoT systems, leading to fuel shortages on the U.S. East Coast. 3. Water treatment plant attack, a hacker attempted to increase sodium hydroxide levels dangerously. 4. Triton Trisis malware incident, attackers targeted safety systems in critical infrastructure with malware. 5. Tesla IoT vulnerability, remote control risks discovered in Tesla systems. Flaws were patched quickly. To protect IoT devices, change default settings, keep updates regular, and use secure protocols. The IoT brings convenience, but also vulnerabilities. Stay informed and adopt secure practices. Which IoT attack surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips.